Hello and welcome to the live streaming Ranchero Games for Tuesday, January 31st, 2017. You have the right channel if you are looking for the live streaming of the Ranchero Games. Our event will start in just a few minutes.
Here comes the victor! Woo! Oh, turn yourself around and go the other way. Start pressing buttons!
Cheater! You don't dare!
Once again, you have the right station if you are here for the live streaming event, the Ranchero Games for Tuesday, January 31st, 2017.
No, she just goes to the captain of the other golf course, sets money in her pockets, and then comes back to the table. I didn't go to the restroom.
Okay, hurry up, you guys, let's go!
I'm not back with extra cash. You cheat.
Hurry up, you're late, let's go!
The teachers put this on everything.
They are making the announcement for students to report to the Ranchero Games right now.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Ranchero Games, it is time for today's Ranchero Games, the game of technology. Teachers, please at this time choose one tribute from your mid-period class and send them to the cafeteria for the competition. Once again, teachers, please send one tribute from your fifth period class to the cafeteria at this time. Tribute, may the odds be ever in your favor.
Hello and welcome to the live streaming event for Tuesday, January 31st. It is STEAM week, so today, Tuesday, is Technology Day. So you can see that our Promethean panels, which, by the way, every single classroom in Ranchero Middle School has its own Promethean panel. It's interactive. You can touch the screen, work on it. Several students can work on it at the same time. But in any case, one of our Chromebooks, every student in our school has a Chromebook, is hooked up to all of these Promethean panels. You'll see that the family names are clearly written on the bottom. Mojave Greens are currently in the lead. They have 4 points. They took first place yesterday. And you can see we are hooked up to code.org. If you remember from the Hour of Code, a while ago we did that. Today's challenge for the Ranchero Games will be the Hour of Code. Students, we've booted up the Star Wars Hour of Code game. You can see that there are actually 15 games to complete in this particular Hour of Games activity, this Hour of Code activity. So the students, when they show up, they will have, I believe, 7 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Mr. Seibert and Mrs. Barnett are in charge, but I believe they have 7 minutes to complete as many games as they possibly can in those 7 minutes. The care packages today, I don't remember which families are which. We'll have to explain it or look it up, but I know 2 families are getting former victors on their team because those families called in the care package, but another family called in a different care package, and that family will get an extra 30 seconds more than everybody else. So where all the families will get 7 minutes, that particular family will get 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Students are showing up. You can see our tributes lining up on the wall. Our illustrious Rattler teachers. Victors, yes, sorry. And these are our tributes today.
Are we ready?
Tributes, welcome to the Ranchero Games. Are we excited? Today, you will work in your family districts to complete a technology task. That technology task you can see across the room here will be done on Pro Media panels. What you will have to do is each family district is set up on code.org to complete a coding challenge. Now there are 15 coding challenges for you to complete today. You are not going to get all of them done most likely. You will have 8 minutes to complete as many coding challenges as you can. The team, the family district at the end of that 8 minutes that has completed the most will win today's challenge and earn 4 points for their family district towards the point total for the end of the week and the prize for next week. Now, second place will get 3 points, and third place 2 points, and first and fourth place will get 1 point added to their total. So we understand this? Yes. If for some reason your team does finish all 15 challenges in the time allotted, your team needs to back up from the screen and stand with 3 fingers high. If you do that, complete all 15, and the first team that does it, you will win and get your 4 points. Now, some care packages have been dropped in by your supporters that are watching us today, and it looks like a couple of victors are here to join us. The Pit Vipers, where are my Pit Vipers?
Pit Vipers.
That was sad. Well, you definitely need the help of former victor, Mrs. Martin. Pit Vipers need some help, Ms. Martin. They need a victor in there. Prairie Rattlers, where are you? Prairie Rattlers, a former victor that has brought it down on Miss Lugo, Miss Asari, who's been flown in to assist you.
Right here.
And what is this? Sidewinders. Sidewinders, you have a care package of extra time in the event. Sidewinders, you have this time to get to walk across the room and find your screen and prepare for battle. Sidewinders, go ahead.
So the Sidewinders got extra time, so they're okay to find their ones and start right now.
So don't touch anything yet, Sidewinders. Just find your space and sit there.
So the Sidewinders have found their screen. They're going to be able to start before everybody else.
The countdown. Okay, the countdown will start at 8 minutes. As you see, the Sidewinders are going to get a few extra seconds. As soon as I say 10, Sidewinders, you can begin. Everybody else, you cannot leave the wall. You have to be touching the wall.
Michael.
Until I get to 0. When I get to 0, you go across the room, find your panel, and you may begin working. Now be careful, there are a couple cords on the floor. Make sure that you do not hit the cords on the floor. We got this? So again, Sidewinders, you can start as soon as I say 10, you can start. Everybody else, wait until we get to 0, and then find your panel. Here we go, are we ready for this Ranchero Games Challenge? That was sad, are we ready for this Ranchero Games Challenge? And 10, 9.
Sidewinders have already started.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go!
So they have to find their table. Make sure you have the correct family.
Look on the bottom to make sure you are in the correct family district. There's a sign on the bottom. Find your correct family district.
They have 7 minutes to complete as many of the 15 games as possible. Oh, look, Sidewinders have already completed 3 games. They're already on game number 4. You can always see what game they are from the top. So they're already on 4, trying to solve 4. You can see the BB-8 trying to pick up all the pieces of trash. They're coding it to go pick up the trash. They're collaborating together to make that happen. We're over here with the Mojave Greens. They are already on task number 2, but they got a later start because the other family got the head start. Also on the second one here, it's the Rock Rattlers. They're also on challenge number 2. Also on challenge number 2, the Diamondbacks right now, still on 2. Whoa, all the way to 4, the Prairie Rattlers with Mrs. Lugo on their team.
Right here.
So I'm pretty sure they're cheating, but they're on 4.
We're not cheating.
They're not cheating, but I'm sure Mrs. Lugo is cheating. Now she's trying to distract the other families. That would be illegal, Mrs. Lugo. On 4. These are the Pit Vipers. Pit Vipers working together with Mrs. Martin. They're on 5.
We're on 5.
Moving to 5 are the Prairie Rattlers.
6. We got
The Sidewinders are on 6. They're the ones who got to start early because they called in their care package. They're working well together. Here we are with the Mojave Greens. They're on 4. What's up? How much time do we have left?
Gonzalez.
2.5 minutes left.
4.5 minutes.
Here are the Rock Rattlers still on level 4.
4.5 minutes left remaining.
Soto, Potter, and Campos. The Diamondbacks are on level 3. The Prairie Rattlers on level 6.
Look at the communication. Good job. Woo!
They're trying to avoid the Kylo Rens.
Oh,
They got it.
Victor trying to.
They got it. Moving to 7.
Slower.
Going to 7.
Oh, we're on 7.
Oh, also at 7. The Pit Vipers also on 7. Trying to get R2-D2. Trying to program R2-D2.
There are 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining in the challenge. Remember, if you
6.
are the first team to finish all
The Sidewinders.
your entire team needs to back up and stand with 3 fingers.
At 7, I think the Pit Vipers are in the lead at 7. Oh, the Prairie Rattlers up to 7 as well. Oh, 8. Taking the lead on 8. Oh, no, they're tied at 8. They both have 8. Let's go see how everybody else is doing. Moving on to 7 for the Sidewinders. The Mojave Greens, they're at 6, so they're right behind. The Rock Rattlers, they're on 6 as well. Oh my goodness, 9. The Prairie Rattlers at 9. The Diamondbacks, they're on level 5.
Oh, we got a 9 here too.
Oh, it's neck and neck.
Rattlers, both at 9.
Hopefully we'll get a countdown.
3 minutes left. There are 3
3
minutes
minutes
remaining in the challenge.
3 minutes.
Which
Level
family
9.
district will come out on top?
Level 9 for the Prairie Rattlers. Oh, they have the help of Mrs. Martin. That's a big advantage. They're on level 9 also. Oh, look at them. I think they just did it. That's... Oh, no. Oh, there was a problem. They didn't program it right. Oh, they didn't program it right either. They didn't get enough points. They've got to get it to give enough points.
7 over here for the Mojave Greens.
The Mojave Greens are at 7. It's a tie at 9 over here. Oh, level 10. The Pit Vipers just moved to level 10. They take the lead. The Sidewinders, they're at 9 also. They're working on it, trying to get him. He just got it. And, oh, he didn't get enough points. They have to assign more points than that.
2-minute countdown. We're on a 2-minute countdown.
Level 7. This is level 7 for the Mojave Greens. 2 minutes left. Level 9, doing really well. The Rock Rattlers out of nowhere coming back. Right behind them at level 9. Level 7 for the Diamondbacks. They're right there. Level 10. The Prairie Rattlers are moving fast. They've moved on to a whole new concept, trying to assign point values for picking up the Rebel pilots and then avoiding the Stormtroopers, R2-D2 moving around. More complicated programming as we go along. Look at this, level 11, the Pit Vipers in the lead.
1 minute. We are down to the final 60 seconds.
1 minute.
I will count down the last
11.
60 seconds.
12! And the The Pit Vipers take the
I will
lead
count down
back.
the last 10 seconds.
Level
When
10.
we get to 0, everybody in your group must stand back with hands off of the screen. If anybody is seen touching the screen after 0, your family district will be disqualified.
Oh, that's a big announcement. If after the time limit anybody touches the screen, their family gets completely disqualified. They're right there. That's
30
10.
seconds.
Level 10.
Final 30 seconds.
So the Rock Rattlers are right there with level 10. The Mojave Greens at 9, so they're closing. Level 12 for the Sidewinders. Impressive. 12.
15 seconds. Remember at 0, everybody's hands
Also
on the
level
job.
12 for the Pit Vipers.
And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Hands off, back up, back up. Oh, and they just finished it. As time expired, they just finished it, so they are actually level 13. I will show you, I'll just click it myself.
Level 12 for the Sidewinders.
Level 13, level 13.
Okay, so it looks like 1, 2, 3. I got it.
We have an 11 over here.
This is hard. Oh my gosh. So we have first place to the Pit Vipers.
First place, Pit Vipers.
Second place, Sidewinders.
Second place, Sidewinders.
Third place, Prairie Rattlers.
Third place, Prairie Rattlers.
I need help over there. Is anybody
And the Rock Rattlers.
The Rock Rattlers take fourth place. Good job, Rock Rattlers. Wave to the crowd. Wave to your family. You scored in some points today, guys. Good job.
Good job. Way to represent Rock Rattlers.
Level 11. Good job, everybody.
Good job, Mojave Greens.
So one more time, just to recap the outcome. The Pit Vipers, first place, level 13. Next up, second place, the Sidewinders, level 12.
Actually, I've never.
Next up, third place, the Prairie Rattlers, level 11. But reaching level 11 just right after them, just seconds after them, so they took fourth place. The Rock Rattlers, also level 11. They reached it last, though, so they got fourth place. So that's 4 points for the Pit Vipers, 3 points for the Sidewinders, 2 points for the Rock Rattlers, and 2 points for the Prairie Rattlers, 1 point for the Rock Rattlers. That will be added to the score, and that will be shared with all the students so you can keep up. So keep up with everything, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next Ranchero Games.